What's up, peeps? We do that. What's up, guys? It's me, Adder666. I'm not gonna redo it. I wanted to introduce the thought of strategic pausing today. If you're a DoorDasher, I don't know if you know what I mean, but I live in an area where there's a lot of cell phone dead spots, and I tend to use pausing strategically. And I know you're like, why would you care about all that? Well, one, you don't want to lose an order for a couple reasons. Usually, this is just in my experience, usually when you give up an order, you don't get that same order. So if you give up like a $10 order, you're not getting a $10 order next. It's just the way it is. It just sucks doing that. And also to keep a high acceptance rate, because some people, like me, probably live in an area where being top dasher kind of helps them a lot. It keeps the kids out from taking over your spot. It actually allows you to build a rapport with customers, get new customers. You know what I mean? So it's just what I do. I'll pick up something. I know when I come back over this mountain part right here, I know that it's not going to be able to pick up an order, so I just pause it. Then when I'm back in town, boop, unpause. Just a little idea to give you, and I'd love to like chat in the comments with you guys, hear different ideas, keep sharing. You could say this is for Women's Month, but I just like pink, so could be both. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe, and yeah, I'm gonna keep thinking of little things I can do to help you. Cause I'm gonna be honest, dude. Without DoorDash, I think I'd be in deep trouble right now. So I'm pretty thankful. Meeting some cool people, and it keeps me fresh on how to interact with people, which I really like. I've always been in customer service. This is no problem for me. If you guys need help dealing with customers, let me know. I've been doing it my whole life. Been a cook for better part of like 10 years of my life. So I know how to deal with people. I know how to deal with food. So if you want any help, let me know. Peace out, guys.